Welcome back, folks, to my channel. So one of the new updates on the holiday that came through the holiday updates is now the capability of turning on the charge port heater, and that's in the service menu under charge port heater. So you know what? Let's try it and see how effective that charge port heater functionality is. So we turn it on and let's do a baseline test over here. So we've got around 57 degrees, 56 degrees. So nothing really. Oh, I think I saw around 60 degrees. So let's check back in 5 minutes and see how effective and how hot it's going to get. So it's been around 5 minutes right now. Let's test out the temperature. And we can see it's gone up a little bit, just a few degrees, nothing really serious. 49, 48, 50. Oh, I think I saw 63 down here. So this is maybe where the heat element is. So yeah, it's not really, like warm to the touch or anything. But yeah, it's definitely going up. We'll give you another update in maybe another 10 minutes. We'll test it out. So this is another 10 minutes update with the charge port heater new functionality on. So we can see the button is still on over here. And if I'm checking here the temperature, it's saying 51, 52. And actually, once you start getting inside the port or closer to inside the port, it's going up. So you can see here it's 72, and it is actually starting to warm up just a little bit. So there you go, folks. After 15 minutes or around 15 to 20 minutes on the charge port heater button on the service, it seems like it's starting to warm up. So I think this is a really good functionality for people who live in cold climate conditions and you're charging outside in the cold. So your charge handle does not get stuck inside the charge port. So there you go, folks. Hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.